All right, here we're looking at a slightly different question. They're actually calculating time. They say to us, how long will it take for an investment of $4,000, so that's what our investment is, at an interest rate of 4% per annum, which is per year, to earn $800 in simple interest. So they're actually giving us the interest. All right. So if you look here, you start off with what is your interest? Your interest was $800. All right. What is your principal? Remember we said that's the money that you start off with, $4,000. And our rate is 4%. So start off by writing your formula. I is equal to P times R times T. Now T represents time. We don't know the time. That's what we're trying to work out here. Okay. So we're going to start off with right. What was our interest? Our interest was 800. So we go 800 is equal to, okay, what was our principal? Our principal was 4,000. Okay, and remember we times it by our rate, which was 4%. So we go 4 over 100 times by our time, which we don't know. So we just put a T in. All right. So let's do what calculation we can at the moment. So we go in our calculator, 4,000 times by 4 divided by 100, and we're left with 160. So what we do is we go 800 is equal to 160 times by T, because we still don't know what our T is. Okay? So remember what we always do if we want to get rid of an amount, because all we want on this side is our T. We just want to know what our time is. We want to get rid of that. What do we do with it? Well, we divide it. We divide it by 160. Okay, because 160 divided by 160, we cancel it itself. And we have to divide this side by 160. What you do to this side, you do to that side. So whatever you want to get rid of, you divide it by the same amount. Okay, so how many times does 160 go into 800? So we go 800 divided by 160, and we are left with 5. So that goes 5 is equal to, these two cancel each other out, and we're left with T. Therefore, T is equal to 5. So it will take 5 years, so we write it out, to earn $800 in simple interest. Okay, so because it was a question, you have to answer it like that. It will take 5 years. So just to go over, write out your formula, do your calculations with your T, get rid of your amount so T's just on his own, and you'll get to your amount. Cool bananas. Give it a go.